Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Python 3, 10 or newer and VS Code installed. Make sure to add Python to path during installation. Once done, install the official Python extension in VS Code and reload. Create or open a project folder, then run Python mvenv. Venv to add a virtual environment. Activate the venv in the terminal so VS Code detects it. This starts the editor-level integration you need to run, lint, and debug code immediately. You now select the project interpreter using command palette right arrow Python. Select interpreter and pick the venv path. Next, install tools into that environment, pip install Pylint Black Pytest, and enable them in the extension settings so linting and formatting run automatically. Once configured, edit vscode/settings. JSON to pin rules for this workspace, like format on save or specific linting severity. These steps ensure consistent behavior across machines and make debugging and testing predictable. You finish by running code from the Run and Debug panel, Create or Edit Launch. JSON for arguments, environment variables, and working directory. Use the integrated terminal to run scripts or Pytest for tests so outputs and breakpoints align. Make sure breakpoints hit and variables show in the debug pane. If the interpreter or tools are missing, check that the venv is activated, verify path entries, and restart VS Code. This often resolves detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.